Are you looking for a low maintenance, high quality new construction home in a beautiful community? Well, Grenadier Homes may be a great option for you. Let's take a look. They've actually been around over 30 years. And what they do is they focus on the entire community, not just the home. And so they do build these townhomes and have built apartments in the past. But let's take a look at where they are on the map. As you can see here on the screen, their price range is pretty far, from $349 to $795. And when I show you on the map where they are, you'll see why. There you go. Nope, this is just a glitch with their system. They have their spot in the middle of the ocean. But if you take a look here, you'll see they are pretty grouped around that north and northeast section of Dallas, but they are close to some of the higher end areas such as Prosper and Frisco. And so you got the Tribute there in the Colony, and the Colony is growing like crazy, as well as 10 Mile Creek there in Salina. And they got a few other options here, but like I said, mostly north and northeast, with Miralagos being their Lone Ranger there in Grand Prairie, Texas. But today we are checking out Cottonwood Creek in Rowlett, Texas. Specifically, the Chandler's Landing floor plan. All right, let's take a look at this Grenadier townhome. Steep walk up, but this is a townhome, so most people will be going in through the driveway. You get a yard. Sure. There are a few different models. I'll have that floor plan here on the screen. But once you're in, you don't even know you're in a townhome. Let me give you an idea of just how big this is. Like, this is huge. Sorry for the face I make, that's how I keep my glasses up. Giant. And you know, we always love fireplace that goes all the way up my nose. There we go. All right, so right off the bat, we have a bedroom. With its own ensuite. Wow. For second gen living, this would be perfect. You got almost a master bedroom sized closet. Like, this thing is huge. Now, which one of these is the bathroom? I mean the toilet. Hopefully the bigger one, right? Hey, I guessed right. Not too exciting, just a toilet. So that means this is a linen closet. Oh, a deep linen closet too. Very nice. We're still just in the first bedroom. So one person down here has got two sinks. Or you got mom and dad. Grandma and grandpa. There's that fireplace from this angle. Front porch. Do we want to go upstairs yet? Let's hold off. Let's hold off. Because I'm playing a song with the lights. Here's a closer look at that kitchen. That's beautiful. No storage in the island, but it's okay. And to keep things clean, They got the pop-out outlet. I think I like those. Haven't decided yet. I like the idea. Alrighty, this is gonna be the garage. Very big 2-car garage. Obviously really thin metal door they might want to replace, and then a garage door opener by Genie. So that's what it is. And this is the hallway of closets, right? Closet. Bigger closet. Ooh. What do we got in here? Laundry, double doors. Nice. Even in a townhome, this has its own closed-in space. Back here is going to be probably the guest bathroom, kind of tucked away. That's nice for parties. You don't want to be making all that noise close to everyone. And here's where crazy uncle might stay, all the way in the back. I don't have a crazy uncle, but you might. I don't know. All right, we're going upstairs. Since it's not so exciting to look at stairs, maybe it's more exciting to look at my face from weird angles. I don't know. Do not try this at home. Always hold the railing. But I'm a professional, right? Nice bathroom. Why being so quiet? Wow! This closet is almost the same size as this room. Look. In the back of the closet, there's the room. Yeah, I think that's disproportionate, but you know, it's all right. And then that's gonna be your attic access. Y'all see that window bench? That's nice, fancy. Still pretty high ceilings on the second floor. So it feels much bigger than it is. Now that looks huge. Just the way they made that thin wall. It's almost kind of scary. Almost. See, I don't want y'all looking at stairs, you know. Stairs are not that exciting. It's like the toilet. I still showed you, but it's not that exciting. So there we go. What do you think of this townhome by Grenadier? So if you're interested in Grenadier homes here in Cottonwood Creek or any of their other communities, I'd be happy to answer some questions you may have and show you around and see if we can get you inside a home. But as always, we don't know you need help until you reach out. So call or text this number or send me an email and I'd be happy to connect with you. As always, thank you for watching. Have a great day.